In this video, we are going to learn how you can add Typeform leads to Zoho campaigns automatically. So the idea here is that you have created a form using your Typeform account and you have embedded on a website to capture the leads. Now you want that whenever a form is submitted and you have received the form submission details, using that details, a new subscriber should get added to your Zoho campaigns account. For that, you need to integrate your Typeform with Zoho campaigns. So here your trigger application would be Typeform and your action application would be Zoho campaigns. So how you can integrate both these software applications using Pabbly Connect? For that, you need to come to my screen. So welcome to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Now as you are a new user, you have to just click on sign up for free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes and you're going to get free task every month. If you're already a user of Pabbly Connect, simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Typeform to Zoho Campaigns Integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want that whenever a type form is submitted, automatically using the details of the form submission, a new subscriber should get added to your Zoho campaigns. For that, first we are going to integrate Typeform with Pabbly Connect. So open this trigger window and here choose the application name as Typeform. Select the trigger event as new entry. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Typeform. That is asking us for the access. So let's scroll down and we are going to just click on accept to give away the access over here. Authorization successful and now the Typeform account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Typeform account. So make sure before creating a connection you are logged into your Typeform account. Now as we have created a connection, here we can find all the forms that I have created in my Typeform account. Okay, so I'll just take you to my Typeform account and here you can see I have created 4 forms, contact form, Jira form and other forms also. So now I want that whenever a response is captured in my contact form, then automatically the same response should get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So here I'll be selecting the same form, that is contact form over here. And now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see that it is waiting for the response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form on the name of a customer. So let's move to the form. Here I'm just going to click on this form. And in this form, I have taken 4 fields, that is the first name, last name, email address and the phone number of the contact. If you want to add some more fields by clicking on the plus sign, you can add new questions as per your requirement. Okay, then you have to just click on publish and the form will get published. After that, we have to just click on this share button. And here we can find the form link. So I'm just going to copy this link and I'll be opening in a new tab so that the form can be filled. Okay, so let us fill in the details on the name of a customer. Let's give the first name of the customer as demo, last name as name itself, email address as demo@pabblytunes.com. And here I'm just going to enter the phone number. So I'm just going to give a random phone number over here. And let's click on submit. So here we can see that a form has been submitted. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And within some seconds, the response will be captured over here. Okay. And we can find the form response. And here when we scroll down, we can find all the contact details or the form submission details captured over here. Okay. I'll just show you the details. Here we can find the name. That is last name of the contact. Okay. I'll just show you the first name also. Yes. This is the first name of the contact. Last name, his email address. And here we can find the phone number. So now we want that using these details, automatically a new subscriber should get added to your Zoho campaigns. So scroll down and come to this action window and here choose the application name as Zoho Campaigns. Select the action event as add or update a subscriber. Click on connect, click on add new connection and click on connect with Zoho Campaigns. And now here it is asking for the domain. Enter the domain your Zoho account belongs to from below. So here I'll just take you to my Zoho Campaigns account and you can see that my domain is zoho.com. Okay. So I'm just going to paste zoho.com over here. So you have to find your domain and you have to just paste it over here. And now let's click on save. Now it is asking for the access for the following information. So let's click on accept to give away the permissions. Authorization successful. And now the Zoho Campaigns account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Zoho Campaigns also. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Zoho Campaigns account also. Now here we have to select the list name. So as we have created a connection, here we can find all the lists that I have created in my Zoho Campaigns account. You can find the list name, that is Pabbly Form Builder Leads and Typeform Leads. So now I want the subscriber to be added to my Typeform Leads list over here. Okay. And here you can see that I don't have any leads or the subscribers over here. It is mentioned as 0. Okay. So we'll be selecting the same list over here, that is Typeform Leads. Okay. Now it is asking for the contact email address, first name, last name and other details. So we have already got all these details from our trigger response over here. So now we'll be mapping this data. Okay. For mapping, scroll down, simply click it over here, come to the response of trigger, that is Typeform. And from here we'll be mapping the email address. In the same way, we'll be mapping the first name. Here we'll be mapping the last name. And we don't have the company name, so I'm just leaving this field as blank. If you have the company name in the response, you can just map it over here. Here we have to map the phone field. And we don't have the address details, so we can just leave these fields as blank. Okay. So now let's scroll down and we're going to click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received, and in the response we have got a message. A confirmation email is sent to the user. User needs to confirm to successfully subscribe. So let's move to the email address of the customer to whom the mail has been sent. And here we can see that a mail is received, confirm your subscription. Okay. And here we can find dear demo, thank you for subscribing for the following. And here we have to just click on confirm subscription. You're all set now. Okay, so the subscription is confirmed. Thank you for joining our mailing list. So now let us check whether the customer is added or the subscriber is added to a Zoho Campaigns account or not. We have to just refresh our Zoho Campaigns account. Okay, and here we can find the Typeform leads as 1. Let's check the lead. And here we can find the lead name as demo@pabblytudes.com, first name as demo, last name as name. And here we haven't mentioned the company name and the city details, so these are blanks. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now, as we have set up an automation, this is a one-time process. Next time, whenever the form will be filled, automatically the subscriber will be added to your Zoho Campaigns specific list whenever the subscriber confirms his subscription via mail. So now we are going to check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just move to the contact form once again. And here we are going to enter the details of some other customer. Okay. So let's give the first name of the customer as dummy, last name as customer itself, email address as dummy@pabblytudes.com. And here I'll be entering a phone number. And let's click on submit. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now we are going to check the email address of the customer. And here we can see a new mail, confirm your subscription. And here we can see that this mail is for dear dummy. So this particular mail is for dummy customer. Thank you for subscribing for. And here we have to just confirm the subscription. And here we can see that the confirmation is successful over here. Thank you for joining the mailing list. Now let us check our Zoho Campaigns account. We have to just refresh it. Okay, and now we can see that we have 2 subscribers in our Typeform leads specific list over here. And the another customer is dummy@pabblytudes.com. Here we can find the first name as dummy and last name as customer. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And now I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Typeform and Pabbly Connect so that whenever the form is filled, automatically the details are captured in Pabbly Connect. And then using those details, we have added the same subscriber into your Zoho Campaigns account whenever the subscriber confirms his subscription via mail. And in this way, we have learned that how we can add Typeform customers to Zoho Campaigns as subscribers using Pabbly Connect. Thank you. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.